Hi, Emily. Are you excited? I heard you just got a new job.
Hi, John. Yes, I am a little nervous, but mostly excited. It's my first day at my new workplace.
That's great. Let's check some key words. First day, the initial day of a new job or position at a workplace. Make a good impression. To present oneself well to colleagues and supervisors to be viewed positively. Onboarding, the process of integrating a new employee into a company, including orientation and training. Company culture, the shared values, beliefs, and practices that shape the work environment. Punctual, arriving on time or early for appointments or work. Workplace etiquette, appropriate behavior and manners expected in a professional setting. Small talk, casual conversation about non-controversial topics used to break the ice and build rapport. Office tour, a guided introduction to the workspace facilities and key areas of the office. Colleagues, coworkers, or people who work together in the same company or department. Gossip, informal, often unverified talk about others, usually discouraged in professional settings. Reflection, thinking about what went well or what could be improved after an experience. Adaptable, able to adjust to new conditions or environments easily. Clarification, asking questions to better understand instructions, policies, or expectations. Next steps, the upcoming actions or instructions for continuing the work or onboarding process. Confidence, self-assurance in one's abilities to perform tasks and interact socially. Starting a new job can be both exciting and nerve-wracking. Do you know what to expect on your first day?
I think so. I've read about it, but I still feel a bit unsure. I want to make a good impression and not mess up.
That's natural. Most first days involve introductions, orientation, and understanding the company culture. Have you prepared everything?
I've packed my bag the night before. Some copies of my resume, a notebook, a pen, and my ID. I also dressed professionally.
That's a smart move. Dressing appropriately shows respect and enthusiasm. Do you know what your first tasks will be?
Not exactly. I was told I'll meet my supervisor and the team, get a tour of the office, and maybe do some onboarding paperwork. I also want to learn about the company's mission and policies.
Good. It's important to listen carefully and ask questions. People usually appreciate that you're eager to learn.
Yeah, I plan to be friendly and professional. Sometimes I worry about making mistakes or saying the wrong thing.
Everyone makes mistakes when they're starting out. Just be honest if you don't know something. Most colleagues will be understanding and willing to help.
That's comforting. Do you have any tips for making a good first impression?
Absolutely. Here are a few tips. Be punctual. Arrive about 10 to 15 minutes early. Show enthusiasm and a positive attitude. Be respectful and polite to everyone. Listen more than you talk at first. Take notes to remember important information. Be open-minded and adaptable.
Those are helpful tips. I'll try to keep them in mind. What about workplace etiquette?
Good question. Keep your phone on silent, avoid gossip, a dress code if there is one, and be respectful of others' space and time. Also, respect company policies and ask for clarification if needed.
I will. Sometimes I wonder about working with new people. How do I start conversations?
Small talk is a good way to break the ice. Compliment or ask about their work, or comment on something happening around you. For example, nice weather today, or that's a nice coffee mug. Just keep it friendly.
Got it. And what should I do at the end of the day?
Summarize what you learned, thank your supervisor and coworkers, and maybe ask about your next steps. Also, reflect on what went well and what you can improve for tomorrow.
That makes sense. I want to make a good impression and start off strong.
That's the spirit. Remember, your first day is just about getting familiar with everything. It's okay not to be perfect.
Thanks, John. Your advice really helps. I feel a little more confident now.
You're welcome. I'm sure you'll do great. Just be yourself, stay positive, and good luck on your first day.
Thank you. I'll let you know how it goes. Have a great day.
You too, Emily. Take care.